All right. My name is Samantha Hege. So we are going to start another session in grade 8 GC grade 8 local syllabus ICT. Okay. So we were discussing about some of the hardware fault and how we can get rid of those hardware malfunctions. In other words, how we can provide a solution for those hardware malfunction and resolve the problems or uh, issues we face in our devices, right? Cindy, I feel you can hear me, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, this is I think other our two other guys will be joining, so we will start because we now 7 p.m. right? Okay. Faulty speakers. So, Cindy, what is the what do you mean by speakers? Is it output device or input device?
Input.
Input device, right? Speakers normally, Cindy, you this is a general knowledge, right? Speakers, what they give the sound output, right? Sound output. That is about sound output. So this is not an input device, right? It's a output device, right? It's giving some sound out. So even I don't know now. What is the headphone you are referring? I mean, are you using the headphone or what? Cindy, are you using a headphone or speaker? What in your laptop? Cindy, I'm asking a question.
I'm using a tab.
Ah, hi Ronalia, how are you? Ronalia, can you hear me?
Hi, sir. I can hear you. Good evening.
Good evening, great. So we just started. We didn't start yet. So this is, I think we were in this one. This faulty speakers. I think last week. Remember that, right? So we were. I think now Tarul also joining. Right. So hi Tarul, how are you? Great. Okay. So please mute your microphone, everybody. Everybody mute your microphone. So I am getting noises. So last week we stopped here. So today we continue from here. Faulty speakers. So this is the problem. That means it says that your speakers are not working, right? This could be speaker, right, or the headphone, right? Anything, right? Right. So speakers are not working. So some Tarul, what kind of issues you might get in the speakers? Any idea? Assuming that you have a speaker, right?
Sir, drum එක වගේ එක sir කැඩුනොත් එහෙම sir.
Oh, okay. So then you can't what you can't volume up or volume down, right? Right.
It will be not work.
Yes. So what are the other causes? Other causes in your
Burning off circuit. The plug
yeah.
is damaged.
Yeah, sometimes the speakers, there are volume control, the buttons are there. No? Volume control might be not working sometimes. The buttons is not working. Sometimes speakers having some, unwanted sound. That means inside the drum, it will be, break something. Sometimes jack problems, input jack problems, right? These are the common issues in the speakers, right? So due to that, our speakers are not working. Sometimes some speakers, they need some drivers, proper drivers. If your computer not having proper drivers, also the speaker won't recognize, because the computer is here. We are plugging the speaker here, right? Speaker here. So how this computer communicate with the speaker? Using the drivers. So if you don't install the proper drivers or the particular software which can communicate from the through computer, so these speakers won't detect and it will not work. Normally in Windows 10, 99% speakers are detecting automatically. Speakers, right? Because it having all the drivers embedded into the operating system itself, right? Okay, so we'll go what they say. We'll just check the speakers by increasing the volume to the high level. If there are no sound still, perform the following. So they are saying that if by using volume control, you are going to increase the volume. But if there is no sound still, what are the steps you can do? We'll just check. To check whether the volume is minimized by the operating system. That means here. From here, right? So this, see, this is operating system volume, right? Right. And check the sound icon in the taskbar at the bottom right hand corner. Right. Sound icon here. This one. It shows. That means this. Right. This sound icon. Right. Check whether the sound has been minimized or mute. That means if it is mute, it will be sometime cross something like that, right? Like this, right? Double click on the speaker icon, move the slider up and down to test sound. If it does not go to step. So what they say, they first of all, if you have any issue in your speakers, just check these settings, right? So these are some settings, right? Just check whether it is mute or it is selecting proper speakers, what you want, and right, those kind of things you have to first check. If all those are okay, go to step 3. What's the step 3? So nowadays we don't see these things because now all are coming USB, right? These are still coming in the TV, radio, like that.
So
Even
in some like
the
some
desktop computers also there, but some laptop, all laptop we have this, right? But even the sound,
speakers have USB and port like that.
yeah, sound card also there now. If you connect to the if you assemble the machine, and if you want to have some powerful sound card, assuming that you are assembling the gaming PC, so you are purchasing the powerful sound card separately and fixing to the motherboard, then these options are available, right? So then these, because sound card, these options are available. But normal laptop, desktop, now these things are not coming. Only one thing is coming, this headphone, right? This one and the microphone. Now only one is coming. Under that you will have sound and voice both. I mean microphone, you can put sound input and sound output both in the same line, right? That means this is microphone in, right? And this is headphone, right? I am saying that these two bundled, embedded together. What? These and these. These two together and come in only one. So likewise. So there are some headphone, I think you can see, sometimes you may have. So those, this headphone and the speaker, the line, only one line is there. Earlier headphone, you have two lines. That is only for, one is mic, one is for headset. Or headset is connected to this green color one. This mic is connected to this this pink color one, right? That is microphone in, right? That's how it works, right? So these surrounding sound, I think I had some HP desktop earlier, I think way back in 2000, I think 10, more than 10 years. So in that I had these options, all these options, right? So but nowadays you can see in the laptop nothing is like that. We have only USB, right? So we can now, most of the headphone come in as a USB, universal serial bus, right? The cables that connect the computer and the speaker vary according to the technology using the speakers. If HD quality, high definition audio technology is available in your computer, check whether the cables are connected to shown in the picture. Right. Right. If your sound system has optical digital audio technology, right, you need only one cable to connect cables connected to the port. So remember, in our normal, in these things are sometime in the meeting rooms, in our office area, office environment. Sometime we have meeting rooms. It's like this. I will just draw, then you can understand. Assuming that this is a meeting room, every corner you have a surround. This is a meeting room. This is a main table, right? We have chairs here, right? Chairs, right? We have main chair also, right? Here you have some sound system. These are speaker. Speaker 1. Speaker 2. This is K. This is front. This is rear. Rear left. Sorry, rear right. This is right side. No, rear right. This is rear left. This is front right. This is front left. Right. Sometime in the table also you have some speakers, small speakers like small cups, and it's also connected to go down, and here by under the carpet of the room it comes to connected to here. So this is the fully fetched speaker sound system in your office environment. This is where, assuming that this is a very meeting room, very big meeting room. You can at least you can have 20 people to 25 people minimum in this room, right? So the surrounding system, this is the main system. It has a even main subwoofer is there, right? Subwoofer is there, and all these speakers are connected from the back side of the sound system, right? And even the here mic also there, here table mic that also coming in, right? Sometimes even these speakers also having inbuilt mic, right? I am telling you this is some industry wide then අපේ කවුද you know in Ronalia mother Shiromi akka should know this, because this is the environment like Horana factory factory me boardroom, right? So they have this kind of a setup, because I were there, so we were set up this full sound system. That's why I have understanding of this sound system proper, right? Okay, right. Sometime if your sound is not in, you know, that's sometimes they are saying you just restart the computer. I last week I said that what is happening by restarting the computer, all the processors, all the yes, all the processors will be refresh, right? All the processors will be refresh, or if some files are hanging, those are removed, something like that, right? Sometimes if your speakers are not working, it's better to plug some other speaker for the testing purposes. If it also not working, that means definitely issue in your computer, not in the speaker, because sometimes very difficult to troubleshoot, because computer should have proper what drivers, right? Proper drivers you have to install. Proper drivers you have to install. Otherwise, these speakers are not working. But when it's come to the Windows 10 operating system, when you install the Windows 10 operating system, majority of speakers drivers are automatically installing. So whatever you plug, it will work, because communication already established from the computer to the speakers by drivers, right? It says that, see. So next line it says what I said. If the audio drive or audio device driver, this is very important. If the audio device drive is not properly installed, it has to be installed correctly. That's right. Seek assistance from your teacher for that. Got it? That's why I said. So this is the worst case. If you can't find the drivers, I think I remember that some sound drivers, I have a device, but I plugged even, but I couldn't work because drivers are not working. So I have download sometime many, I mean 20, you know, kind of drivers and install, uninstall. Once it's working fine, right? I mean, way back in 2010. By now, we don't worry about that. Now all are automatically plug and play. It's all it's detected very easily. Now it's there is no much courses on these speakers and the sound drivers. It will automatically install. So you don't want to worry about nowadays, because it's already automated. You know, just plug and play devices are available, right? Easily you can find the drivers even from the internet. It's very easy, just plug and play. Okay. Now we will move to this one. This is kind of a hard thing at your stage, right? Your network connection failure. So network connection failures are, I just without going for the books and all, I just give some brief idea about what is the network connection failure. Okay. I need 3 examples from 3 of you. Cindy, give me one example of network connection failure. I think Cindy is not listening to my class. I am assuming that. Okay, Ronalia, can you give me the one network connection failure example?
All the equipments.
Is there?
No, I think.
Hello, මගේ mic එක කලින් වැඩ කරේ නෑ. So now my mic is working. Hello, Cindy. Hi, Cindy.
There is no, sir.
Yeah, can you hear me? Hello, Cindy.
Yes, I can hear you, Ronalia. Sir, are you connected? Hello?
Sir?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Hi, sir. We
Hello.
have. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Give me a second. I can hear you. 1 second.
Yeah, sir. Me and Cindy have another class, a geography class. We have to join in our school.
At what time?
It started at 7:30.
7:30.
Yeah,
What is the subject?
geography.
No, 7:30 can't be, no, because our class is 7 to 8, no.
Yeah, but the class was settled. I didn't know, but my friend told me and said to join the class.
Okay. However, so our schedule is 7 to 8. Okay, because I have given a time last month also. Sunday normal hours would be 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So if you have in a someone, so why would I tell? So you would have tell me, no, otherwise then I will postpone this class.
Yeah, I didn't know, sir. My friend called me and said,
Okay, it's okay. Okay, then we'll have a class on tomorrow.
okay, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Okay,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hello. Excuse me? What should I do?